Hey everyone, so in today's video I want to show you how simple it is to subtract years from a date in Python. Okay, so the easiest way to do this is using the package known as Python dateutil. You can install it by just using pip. Okay, so I already have pip here installed with this package here. Okay, so I don't have to do anything, but you have to do this before following the code. And we are going to use the relative delta object. Okay, so first let's start with from date time. Let's import date, and then from date u2 we're gonna import relative delta. Import relative delta. All right. Then we're gonna initialize some variable. I'm gonna call it current date with date dot today, just to have something to begin with. I'm gonna print current date, right? Then let's create another variable, future date, and then or past date, because we're gonna subtract, so it's gonna be in the past, not in the future. So current date minus relative delta, and here is the important part. You have to specify that you want to subtract years, and in this case I'm gonna say 2 years. All right, then I'm gonna print past date. Sorry. All right, so let's try our script. Python 3 subtract years date.py. Then there you have it. We are currently on 2023, and after subtracting the years, 2 years from the current date, we have the same day, the same month, but on 2021. Okay, so that's it. I hope you find this useful. I'm gonna leave a link for this tutorial in written form as a blog post, so you can copy the code and try it yourself. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.